Now I'll be demonstrating to you how to format your text box. You click on the text box that you would like to format. Now we're going to fill it with colors. Then you go to Home, then you go to Fill. Now I'm using the eyedropper option as usual because I want to coordinate the colors. Click on the eyedropper option. So I'll point over the one that I color that I need, click on it, and the text box will be filled. Now I want to make the text box a little bit transparent so that we can see a bit of the background. So I will go to More Colors, then I'll select Transparent, and then I'll put it to about 20. You can adjust it to the level that you like, and I'll press OK. So I'm seeing a bit of the background through the text. So you can adjust it according to what you like. You can also change the shape if you don't like the rectangle shape. You can click on the still clicking on the text box, go to Format, then you go to Edit Shapes, then you select any shape that you would like, and it will change to that shape, and you can go ahead and adjust accordingly. And just as how you adjust those, you can also adjust the font size and the font style. So if you don't like the font size, you can change it to about, I'll put in mine at 40 and change the font style to, I'll be using this one here, and you do go ahead and make your adjustments.